Good morning, good morning. Okay, so for today's video, I am going to share something that is special to me with you guys, something that I do pretty regularly for myself, and I also do it for close friends of mine. And I'm gonna teach you guys a little bit about how I do what I call intention rollers. I talk a lot about when you're gonna use oils for emotional support, doing it with intention, not just haphazardly rolling oils on and expecting to like have peace wash over you, but how we have to be really intentional with the thoughts that we're allowing into our minds while we're using those rollers. And so I create intention rollers, and what that is basically I do some meditation, I do some prayer work, I do some journaling about what I know my heart and my soul need more of. And when I receive my answer, I will then put together, I'll just grab a bunch of oils that are speaking to me at any given time, and I'll set them down. I'll get a empty roller, and then I will come up with the word that I'm setting my intention on. Examples could be intuition, focus, thoughts, belief, patience, courage, heart, love, purpose, peace. These bravery, these are all words that we can set intentions to based on what we have going on in our life at any given time. I love to do this with my kids too. I do this with my friends when they're going through something tough. We get together, I hand them a bunch of oils, I say which ones are speaking to you, give the ones back that are speaking to you, let's set the intention, and let's make you a roller. So the intention that I'm setting for this week is belief. And that's something that's personal to me. I'm feeling incredibly motivated right now. I'm feeling very purpose driven and really excited for the future. But I also know that real life can get in the way of that. And I want to be doing everything in my power, putting all of my effort into maintaining that belief in my dreams. And so I'm going to make a roller that's going to do just that. And every time that I need that reminder, I'm going to open up my belief roller. I'm going to put it on. I'm going to fill my mind with positive thoughts. And I'm going to use my roller with intention. So I don't have a recipe like already in my head. I just grabbed some oils that are speaking to me. And that's why I want to show you guys this too. Like, it doesn't have to be perfect, but you also don't want it to smell icky. So there are a couple of tips I'm going to give you. Pick the oils first that you're resonating with and put 2 to 3 drops of each of those in your bottle. That is it. Shake it up, give it a smell, and then decide, ooh, it's a little bit too strong in this direction, or it could use a little bit more of this. And then start adding those oils as you go. I'm going to go first with joy. For some reason, joy is speaking to me. Okay. I am going to start with 3 drops of joy. I have white angelica here, another one of my absolute favorites. Oh, it smells so good, you guys. I'm going to put 3 drops of white angelica. 3. And then I have lime and lavender here. I love to use these as more like base notes to really help soften the extra floraliness of joy and white angelica. Lime is just pure magic. 3, 4, 5, 6. So when I bring a citrus in, I usually double the amount of citrus that I put in compared to the other oils. So I put in 6 lime, and I just love lavender and everything. So I'm going to put 3 lavender in there. Okay, let's see where this smells. That's pretty good. It needs a little I need it to have a little bit more of a kick though. So I have patchouli here. Do not be scared of patchouli, guys. Pure patchouli, like 100% pure therapeutic grade patchouli, is truly magic. And if it's a little strong for you, you're just gonna dilute it with other oils. Patchouli is thicker too, so I'm only gonna put 3 in here. And this is gonna give it like a little bit more of that earthy, woodsy smell that I'm looking for, but it's not gonna be too strong because of all the other oils I have in there. And then I'm gonna do some grapefruit. You can never ever go wrong by adding citrus to your blends. I put 6 in because remember I like to put more. I'm gonna shake it. Guys, that's smelling pretty good. So to me right now, it's a little bit heavy on the lavender. I want to have a little bit more florally in there. So I'm going to add some white angelica. You see how I'm just kind of doing it as I go? And yeah, and I'm going to add some joy. Now let's see what we're working with here. That's really good. Okay. Do I be brave and do I add some rosemary? This has kind of been my new thing lately. I'm just addicted to rosemary straight up. I don't know if that's gonna work in here, you guys. I think I'm gonna do it. Okay, if you ever wanna test it early, put your finger over it and do this. Get it on your finger and rub it on your wrist. Oh, I don't know, it's pretty good how it is. It's pretty dang good. Yeah, you guys, we're gonna leave rosemary out of this. I was really excited to do it. Oh, I'm gonna add a little bit more lime because the lime notes I'm really loving. 3 more drops of lime. I'm gonna do 1 more drop of lavender. 1 more drop of patchouli. Remember, it's thicker. And then I'm gonna add like 3 more drops of grapefruit. This is good, you guys. This is a powerful, powerful blend. I'm feeling excited. Okay, now I'm taking my fractionated coconut oil. I love that this one that I get on Amazon has a pump top because it could not be any more simple than to just pump it right in there. Fractionated coconut oil, the difference between fractionated coconut oil and regular is that fractionated stays in a liquid form. So that's what you want to be using when you're making rollers because it's not going to solidify. It's going to stay liquid. So you're always going to be able to get it out of the roller. Okay, once that's in there, you're going to take your lid and you're literally going to push it into place. You want to make sure it's snug so it's not leaking. Put on my lid. Give it a good shake. I have my little belief roller. Let's put it onto a different spot so I can see what it smells like. Oh, guys, that is good. Oh, that is so good. I love it. Love it, love it. I'm gonna carry this with me all the time, use it all the time until I run out, and speak belief over myself and speak belief over the people that I love and care about and that I'm rooting for. I also have like a cool little notebook that I call a spell book that anytime I want to remember what's in a blend, I do my best to write it down inside so I don't forget. So I'm going to end this video and I'm going to make sure that I write down this combo because it is good, you guys. But be brave, try new things, smell different oils in your collection, figure out what you're gravitating towards. Start with just a few of those oils together. If you're not sure if oils are going to smell good together, take 2 or 3 at a time, take the lid off, and smell them like that. Then you can see that lime and lavender smell amazing together. Does that make sense? Also remember the little pro tip, the oil does not come out of that center hole, you guys. That's just a venting hole. The oil actually comes out of this little rim all the way around. So you're gonna turn it, I'll put some in my hand. You're gonna turn it sideways, boop, not upside down to get that oil out. We seriously have the best lavender around, you guys. Okay, so that's a quick video on intention rollers. I hope that was helpful. I would love to hear what your intentions are for this week and what word is really speaking to you and what your hopes and dreams are. Feel free to drop those in the comments. I love hearing about where you guys are at in your personal growth journey and in your wellness journey. So thank you so much for sharing and love you guys.